Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to move your plugins to an external hard drive. So for the first step, we need an application to do that for us. And the application that we're going to be using is this Ultimate Plugin Tool. And to get to there, you would use this link right here that is ultimateoutsider.com/downloads. And that's it, that's just the link. So just paste it in your browser and after that you would land at this page right here. Now here just simply click on Ultimate Plugin Tool right here. So as you guys can see, the application has been downloaded. Just click on it. Just simply complete the setup here. So here the application has been downloaded. Just click on finish. Now as you guys can see, the software has been downloaded. Now once you're here, select relocate plugin content. You can also use other options that they provide. Now here, click on next. Now once you're here, you would have to select the original location of the plugins, i.e. where they are located in your computer at the moment. And in this new location section right here, you would have to select the new location where you want to relocate them to a new folder list. Now, once you're done with this, click on next right here. And after that, click on yes. And after that, all of your plugins will be moved to that particular folder. And you can easily move that folder to your external hard drive. So that is pretty much it. And I hope that this video helped you. And if it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.